Good day, AP Biology students. Welcome to video lecture episode 17. Remember last time we were together we talked about digestive compartments, and we talked about intracellular digestive compartments and extracellular digestive compartments. Well, let's look at slide 39. Let's look at an example of an intracellular digestion with sponges, not the ones you clean your dishes or the counters with, but the ones in the ocean. Alright, if you look on the slide 39, you can see that, and you can see its labeling of its the central cavity and various portions of it where it does digestion. Then if we move to slide 40, we look at extracellular digestion, and that is where the compartments, remember, are outside of the animal's body. Now, a particular type within this is what we call the gastrovascular cavity, which is in simple animals where they have a single opening and a two-way digestion, food in, waste out. All right. The example we have is a hydra there, which is represented in the image on slide 40. Now let's move to slide 41. So the gastrovascular cavity was for simple animals. Now, for animals that are more complex, they have what we call an alimentary canal. Now, remember, once again, it's more complex. It has one-way tubes with mouth and anus. Now, if you look at slide 41, you can see the images there. We have an earthworm, a grasshopper, and a bird labeled, showing where the food enters and then, of course, where the food leaves as waste. All right? Now, let's move to slide 42. Let's talk about specialized organs for digestion, in particular for us, humans. We have what's called the digestive system, which is made up of the alimentary canal and glands. What are glands? Well, there's salivary glands, the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Now, I'm curious, and there's a question on slide 42. Can you name the organs of the human alimentary canal, in order? You can leave that in the comments below or put that in your notes. All right, let's go ahead and conclude our lecture for today looking at slide 43, just so we can see a breakdown of the human digestive system. It's got it labeled and organized where it's at in the body. Just take a look at that, review that, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I do hope the lecture has been helpful. Have a nice day. Take care, students. Goodbye.